Hi, I'm Owen Fitzpatrick, co-author of the book, The Ultimate Introduction to NLP with Dr. Richard Bandler and Leslie Roberti. And this short video today, what I want to talk to you about is making more impact. Now, making more impact, a little idea or a strategy that you can use to make sure that you make more impact when you're communicating is to use more what we call representational systems. In other words, use more senses when you're describing something. So whenever you're trying to describe something to really impact a person, instead of just telling them about it, start to build in what will they see, what will they hear, what will they feel when they experience that particular thing. By using the senses, you build a sensory-rich description for them, which makes them feel the feeling more intensely. So when you talk about how great it will be to use this product or how great it will be to be healthy and fit, get them to notice what they will see, what they will hear, what they will feel when they are that fit or when they're using that product. The more you use the senses, the more impact you will have when you're communicating with them. I hope you enjoy that little NLP snack. For now, I'm Owen Fitzpatrick. Thanks for watching.